What is Q value? Q value may refer to fusion energy gain factor, Q value or Q, the ratio of fusion power produced in a reactor to the power required to maintain the plasma in the steady state. Q value in chemistry, the differences of energies of the parent nuclides to the daughter nuclides. Q value in particle physics, a difference between the mass of a decaying particle and the sum of masses of daughter particles. Q value in statistics, the minimum false discovery rate at which the test may be called significant. Q factor in bicycle mechanics, the width between the cranks. In recumbent bicycles, it should be small when building a streamliner. Q factor in marketing and pop culture commentary, sometimes used as a casual synonym for Q score.